citric acid and beaker with 25 ml of water. So, we will start the experiment. First, we'll take 1 cup and pour 25 ml of water in it. Now, add 2 drops of yellow color and blue color. 1, 2. And now blue color of 2 drops. So we'll mix this. If we mix, we'll get green color water. So now we'll take another cup and add one scoop of citric acid and 1 scoop of baking soda. We'll use this. 1 scoop. And 1 scoop of baking soda. I added 1 scoop of baking soda. I'll put this aside and mix well. So, pour the water into this. So you can see that there is explosion of bubbles here. So this is the experiment of, the name of the experiment is Fizzy Magic Potion. Thank you. Subscribe our